ये अटॉर्नी जनरल जरा ये आप पढ़ लें ऑर्डर दे दें अटॉर्नी जनरल को। इनको ओरिजिनल ही दे दें, क्या फर्क पड़ता है भाई, वो पढ़ तो लेना, ओरिजिनल दे दें, वापस ले लीजिएगा, साइंड कॉपी ना दें।
You can hand over the other copy to me.
भाई दे दीजिए ना 2 मिनट,
दूसरी दे दे मुझे। Pursuant to the order dated 3rd April 2024, the 5 High Courts have submitted their respective proposals, which were read out by the Learned Attorney General for Pakistan. Proposals were also sought from the Pakistan Bar Council and the Supreme Court Bar Association. PBC has submitted its proposals, and the Vice President and Additional Secretary of SCBA state that since a meeting of the SCBA had not taken place, they will be submitting their proposals before the next date of hearing. 2. Few petitions and a number of applications have been filed by other bar councils and bar associations seeking to be joined as parties to these proceedings. Others too have filed similar applications. However, we will only entertain the same to the extent of considering proposals made therein. 3. It would be appropriate and helpful if bar councils and bar associations come together and preferably file one document containing their proposals. However, if agreement cannot be reached amongst them, they may file separate proposals. 4. If any bar council or association wants to obtain copies of the proposals submitted by the High Courts, they may obtain the same from the office. 5. The Learned AG may also submit proposals on behalf of the Federation. With regard to the allegations levelled in the letter of the 6 Honourable Judges of the Islamabad High Court against the Federation or any agency under the federal government, responses thereto be submitted through the Learned AG before the next date of hearing.
One learned judge has written a separate note. Read that also.
The federal government has to submit its response to the grave status of interference by the executive as highlighted by all the high courts. This is the most serious and grave matter undermining of the independence of judiciary, which cannot be trivialized. The federal government, I'm finding it a bit.
The buck stops with the federal government.
Federal government, I'm just trying to cipher it.
I'm sorry, my handwriting
is
really bad.
It is, may I
read this?
The federal government?
The federal government has submitted, the federal government has to submit its response to the grave status of interference by the executive as highlighted by all the high courts. This is the most serious and grave undermining of the independence of judiciary, which cannot be trivialized. The federal government controls the intelligence agencies, and it is for the federal government to explain its position before this court. The buck stops with the federal government. The high courts, the position before this court. The buck stops with the federal government. The high courts have indicated that the phenomena has existed till recently.